3. Hello everyone. Wish you all happy in learning English. Let's review to form past tense questions by placing did before the subject, and by changing the verb to its simple form. For example, she went home. Did she go home? Did I work? Did we work? Let's change the following past tense statements to questions. Let's go. 1. She lived in Peru for 2 years. 2. He gave her a lot of presents. 3. They stayed in Europe all summer. 4. She told them all about her trip. 5. You moved here in February. 6. Terry flew to Minneapolis. 7. We went home after you did last night. Kern. Do you know the answers? Let's try together. 1. Did she live in Peru for 2 years? 2. Did he give her a lot of presents? 3. Did they stay in Europe all summer? 4. Did she tell them all about her trip? 5. Did you move here in February? 6. Did Sam fly to Thailand? 7. Did we go home after you did last night? Wish you happy in learning English.